very rich nation.
Sadyang sapat na para makita ang ganda ng mundo.
Puno ng yaman.
Puno ng kasaysayan.
Kaya sama lang dito sa
Wild
Sons.
Sons.
I am Lynn,
I am Winchell.
and we are your hosts for today.
Yes, and we are all here youths. So energetic tayo. So itong mga kawadsats natin, naghihanda sila ng activities for us. That's we call
The Finder Seekers. Kaya kailangan natin ngayon ng dalawang grupo from our Kawalsans. It will be composed of 3 persons na galing sa iba't ibang campuses. Kaya kung nakabuo na kayo ng grupo nyo, come up here on stage and you will be playing our game for today. So let's go. Ayan na yung mga players natin for today. Our game for today is we will be having pictures here sa table and we will be flashing yung questions natin dito sa screen. At ang gagawin lang ng mga kawadas natin, ng mga players natin, ay hahanapin nila yung sagot dito sa mga pictures na to.
So let's all start this game.
Okay. Thank you mga kawadas. Pwede na po kayo bumaba and you receive this prize for welcome. It's really overwhelming na ang daming new faces dito sa Wild Sons. Tama ba, Michelle?
And yes, it is because of our values of pagiging Pilipino. Ito yung pagiging palakaibigan. And if you know that yung besides na person mo, a new face, why don't you give them and greet them with a beautiful smile?
Alright, and give them ang Wild Sons welcome natin. And alam mo ba, Michelle, hindi makakarating tong mga first-timer na to kung wala yung mga tao talagang nag-exert ng great effort to invite them. Kaya mga first-timer, why not give thanks dun sa mga nag-invite sa inyo? And Michelle, to recognize yung taong nagbigay ng greater effort sa pag-invite at nagkaroon siya ng most number invite, bibigyan natin siya ng small token from Wild Sons.
Yes, and we all welcome Jericho Buenavista from UE.
Alright, come here on stage, Jericho.
And receive this prize from Wild Sons. So, congratulations.
Congratulations, Jericho.
And yes, as we all know, this place is really transforming lives. So right now we are all seeing of how did God really move in the lives of these two siblings.
Tama ka dyan, Win. Kaya naman saksiyan natin ang buhay ng magkapatid na Aquino dito sa Wild Sons. So sit back and relax mga kawasis and let's watch this.